Before we pull back the curtain on the digital shadows, it's important to pause and set the stage for what you're about to experience. The world of cybersecurity is filled with intrigue, mystery, and sometimes a bit of fear. But before we dive in, let's make one thing absolutely clear. A crucial distinction must be made between knowledge and intent. The information presented in this series is not meant to encourage illegal activity or unethical behavior. The knowledge shared here is not a manual for malice, nor is it a toolkit for those seeking to do harm. Instead, it's a guide for understanding, awareness, and ultimately, protection. The goal here is simple: to illuminate vulnerabilities so you can protect yourself, your loved ones, and your digital assets. It's about shining a light on the dark corners of the internet, not exploiting them. The most common entry point for a hacker is deception, social engineering, especially phishing. This method doesn't rely on technical vulnerabilities, but rather on manipulating human psychology. Hackers know that the easiest way into your digital life is by tricking you into opening the door yourself. Imagine receiving a text from your bank. It looks urgent and official, maybe even alarming, with a message telling you that your account is at risk and you must act immediately. The message includes a link, urging you to verify your account details to avoid suspension or loss of funds. That link doesn't take you to your real bank. Instead, it leads to a perfect replica of your bank's website, complete with logos, colors, and even fake customer service chat. Everything looks legitimate, but it's a trap designed to steal your credentials. Once you enter your username and password, the hacker instantly receives your information. No malware is needed, just your trust and a few clicks. In seconds, your sensitive data is in the wrong hands. Phishing preys on fear and urgency. It can come as fake delivery notices, alarming security alerts, or tempting prize offers. These messages are designed to make you act before you think, bypassing your usual caution. Spear phishing takes this a step further. Hackers research you, scanning your social media, public profiles, and even your work history. They craft messages that seem personal and legitimate, making them much harder to spot. With your stolen credentials, hackers can access your accounts, emails, and private photos without ever physically touching your phone. They can read your messages, see your contacts, and even impersonate you. The ultimate goal is credential harvesting. Once they have your login details, hackers can trigger a cascade of account takeovers, moving from one service to another, exploiting the same password or resetting others. With access to your email, hackers can reset passwords for your social media, shopping, and even work accounts. Suddenly, they have a window into your entire digital life, piecing together information for further attacks. All of this can happen without ever installing malware on your device. The attack is invisible, relying solely on deception and your trust. That's why awareness and vigilance are your best defenses against phishing and social engineering. Picture yourself connecting to free Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport. That airport_free_Wi-Fi could be a hacker's rogue access point. Once connected, all your traffic, websites, passwords, messages, flows through the hacker's laptop. This is a man-in-the-middle attack. The hacker intercepts and records everything. Even with HTTPS, advanced hackers can strip away encryption, exposing your data. They can manipulate what you see, inject malware, or redirect you to phishing sites. Your phone stays clean, but your information is compromised. Treat public Wi-Fi as hostile territory. Use a VPN to encrypt your traffic, making it unreadable to eavesdroppers. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connections and be selective about networks. A VPN is your armored car in a world of open postcards. Stay cautious. Your data's first line of defense is your own awareness. One of the most audacious and dangerous attacks in the digital world doesn't actually target your phone directly. It targets your mobile carrier, the very company you trust to keep your number safe. Imagine waking up one day to find your phone suddenly has no service and you can't make calls or receive texts. This isn't just a technical glitch, it could be the first sign that your digital identity is under attack. This attack is called SIM swapping. Here, a hacker tricks your mobile provider into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control. With just a few convincing words and some stolen information, your number is now in the hands of a criminal. Once they have your number, the hacker can intercept all your calls and texts, including those crucial two-factor authentication codes that protect your most sensitive accounts, like your email, bank, and social media. The attack usually starts with gathering personal information about you. Hackers often find this data in massive data breaches or by scouring your social media profiles for clues, like your birthday, address, or even your pet's name. Armed with this information, the hacker impersonates you and convinces a customer service agent to switch your number to their SIM card. Sometimes, all it takes is a smooth-talking phone call or a visit to a store. Suddenly, your phone loses service without warning. While you're left confused and disconnected, the hacker's phone springs to life with your number, giving them full control. With your number, they can now reset passwords, access your email, drain your bank account, and even lock you out of your own social media. All those SMS codes meant to keep you safe are now being sent straight to the attacker. To protect yourself, add a strong, unique PIN or password to your carrier account. This extra layer of security makes it much harder for someone to impersonate you. Also, avoid using SMS-based two-factor authentication whenever possible. Instead, use authenticator apps or physical security keys, which are far more secure and can't be hijacked through a SIM swap. These methods tie your authentication directly to your device or a physical key, not just your phone number, making it much harder for hackers to break in. Taking a few proactive steps now can block this devastating attack before it ever happens. Regularly check your carrier account for suspicious activity and update your security settings. Remember, your phone number is more than just a way to call or text. It's a digital key to your entire online life. Guard it as carefully as you would your most valuable possessions. Some surveillance tools track you without touching your phone's software. IMSI catchers or stingrays mimic cell towers, tricking your phone into connecting. They log your unique SIM identifier and track your location in real time, silently. Advanced versions can intercept calls and texts by downgrading your connection to an insecure network. Originally for law enforcement, these devices are now in rogue hands. Detection is tough, but using encrypted messaging apps like Signal or WhatsApp protects your conversations. Even if your connection is intercepted, end-to-end encryption keeps your messages private. The most alarming attack is the zero-click exploit, no interaction required. Hackers exploit hidden flaws in apps, sending invisible data that gives them control. Pegasus spyware, for example, could infect a phone with a missed call. No trace left behind. Once inside, attackers gain root access. They can record audio, read messages, track location, and access files. Zero clicks bypass all security, turning your phone into a 24/7 spy. These exploits are rare, expensive, and often used by governments. Your best defense: keep your phone and apps updated. Security patches close these hidden doors. Install updates promptly. They often fix critical vulnerabilities. Zero clicks are hard to stop, but vigilance and updates are your shield. In the digital world, speed matters. Patch fast, stay safe. Hackers don't always need your phone. They target your cloud backups, iCloud and Google. Drive store your photos, messages, and more, a goldmine for attackers. Phishing emails trick you into giving up your cloud credentials. With access, hackers can download your entire backup, seeing messages, locations, and contacts. This attack leaves no trace on your phone. It happens remotely. They can set up ongoing access, spying on your digital twin. Protect your cloud, enable strong multi-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app or physical key, not SMS. Use a long, unique password for your cloud account. Treat your cloud password like the key to your home. Secure the cloud, and you secure your digital life. Now, let's build your defenses. Be skeptical of unsolicited messages. Don't click links or download attachments from unknown sources. Always verify requests for personal info. Use official apps or websites. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. A password manager helps. Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere, prioritizing authenticator apps or security keys. Add a security PIN to your mobile carrier account to block SIM swaps. Keep your phone, browser, and apps updated. Set updates to automatic. Review app permissions regularly. Only grant what's necessary. Treat public Wi-Fi as hostile. Use a VPN and disable auto-connect. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when not in use. These habits make you a hard target and put you in control. Your vigilance is your strongest defense. The battle for digital privacy is ongoing and ever-changing. Attacks like phishing, MITM, SIM swaps, and zero clicks are just the beginning. These threats are invisible, operating in the background of daily life. The goal isn't paranoia, but preparation. Awareness is empowering. Your phone holds your life. Protect it as you would your home. Simple steps, strong passwords, updates, skepticism, dramatically boost your security. The human element can be the strongest link with the right knowledge. Stay informed, practice good digital hygiene, and raise the cost for attackers. Technology is powerful. Handle it with care and respect. Keep learning, stay curious, And never take your security for granted. By staying vigilant, you defend your privacy, identity, and peace of mind.